Michael here. We're reviewing one of Franklin's best-selling vans, the Franklin Razor 220 Family Caravan. Let's check it out. Franklin Caravans are the family van specialists and have a long history of producing the best family vans in Australia. Let's check out some outside features. Starting at the back of the van, there's a reversing camera. It also comes with a monitor for your vehicle, so you can always see what's happening behind you. Triple bike rack, grab handles, LED tail lights, solid bumper bar, spare wheel, all standard features. And for styling, it's got a nice composite panel, and if you just take a step back, it looks beautiful. Moving alongside the van, there's a lot of external features standard, including a roll-out awning. There's an external TV point with a 12-volt socket, 240-volt power point. There's a pair of external marine speakers as well, picnic table, all-terrain wheels and tyres, fold-out step. There's a gas bayonet for your barbie as well. And look at this slide-out drawer here. Put all your bits and pieces in there. There's so many great features on the outside. Now let's go inside and take a look. The Razor 220 comes standard with so many features, including a 170-watt solar panel on the roof. It has a battery and a state-of-the-art battery management system. Going through the van, there's a TV, Bluetooth sound system, IBIS air conditioner, full oven, grill, 4-burner cooktop, recessed cooker as well, so you've got much more bench space, a huge 2-door fridge freezer, which is extremely important for those longer holidays. Going through to the bunk area, the kids have USB and 12-volt sockets on all the bunks, and have a look at the storage here. It's extremely deep. You can put all the kids' gear in there, no problem at all. Lifting up this hatch, there's a top-loading washing machine. You can also get a front-loading washing machine as an option as well, and there's a nice big spacious separate shower and toilet. Great feature about this van is the nice big club lounge. You can sit the family around there really easy. These have Extenda-seats. They're quite unique to Franklin Caravans. Instead of having those flip-up footrests that can't take any weight, these take 130 kilos. I could even stand on these, no problem. Doesn't move. You put your cushion on it. There's two of these. There's one on the other side as well. And you can easily fit 5 or 6 people around there. This van's available with 2 or 3 bunks. Now, an issue that some family vans have is the length of the bunks. The kids simply outgrow them. No problem at all with this van because the length of them is 6'6" long. You can even sleep an adult on them. Now, something Franklin's famous for is the cabinetry. Franklin uses modern technology construction, so you'll get that perfect finish and perfect edge every time. Going to the drawers, you've got nice big drawers with double locks. There's metal slides, ply base, no chipboard throughout the product. The quality of this van is definitely something to be seen. Another great feature about this van is the height. This van's 6'8" high interior, which is higher than your average van. The benefit to that is it gives you much more ventilation throughout the van, and it keeps the van a lot cooler on those hotter days. Another benefit is the storage. You get more overhead storage throughout the whole van. Going towards the bunks, particularly with having a triple bunk van, it gives you more separation between the bunks by having it 6'8" high interior. When you're having a shower, you don't have to crouch down. You can stand up nice and straight and have a nice comfortable shower. Having a 6'8" high interior van is definitely the way to go. The Razor 220 has all the goodies. It's got the features, it's got the quality, it looks awesome. So if you combine all that with the interior height and the nice big club lounge, then you've got the complete family caravan. If you like all that, get your order in now and join the Franklin family.